Good morning, guys. We are down in Dallas today. It's 6:40 in the morning right now. I was letting it get a little sunnier. I was going to let the sun come up just a little bit more. But yeah, we are down here in Dallas. We're going to be fishing White Rock Creek right up around Forest Lane and 75 area. It's kind of shallow, but there are a couple of deeper pools and stuff like that. So I'm gonna just put my rain boots on and get down in there and just walk on down the creek. And there is a trail that goes next to it, so if we need to, we could always get out and walk down the trail a little bit. Today I'm just going to be using my smaller rod. I think it's like a 5/6 medium action rod, and I'll also be using my fly rod. So those are going to be the only two that I'm taking down there with me. I kind of simplified my tackle box and just shoved everything into my backpack. So basically I've got a couple of lures, pretty much spinners for the creek, and just other small things. I went ahead and also put hooks and a couple different weights in there, and I've got all my plastic baits. So we'll see how it looks when we get down there and figure out what we're going to be using. But yeah, I'm gonna let the sun get a little bit higher, just so it lights the creek up a little bit, and we'll get down there, and that's where I'll see y'all next. Alright, so I've been looking for a minute for a way through the fence, but I found this little drainage ditch, and it comes straight through here. I've been using my fishing poles to knock down spider webs, but it looks like there's already kind of a little hole here, so we're gonna come up real slow. I really don't want to spook off anything. But that's a nice little hole already. It gets a little shallow over there, but I'm gonna go ahead and get down there and tie something on and see if we could get anything to happen. Man, that guy like came from the far side of the creek, smacked it. Looks like a little green sunfish. Little green sunfish. There we go. I think this guy's smaller than the first. Barely got it. Whoop, get in there. Alright, so there's like this pile of rocks over there, so I'm curious if it's shallow enough right over here where I could walk over there. I'd like to get over there and then see where we'll go from there. So I'll either be able to get over there safely going this way, or I'll just have to go back to this other side. It doesn't seem it's not too slippery at all, really. I'll just have to keep watching the water line and make sure it doesn't go over the top of my boots. There we go. First fish on a fly. If I could get my line untangled from around the GoPro. Wow, look at that guy. Little pumpkin seed. There we go. Alright, stop flopping around. See if I could get a good look at him. Oh, maybe not. Alright, so I'm going to start making my way down the creek. See what else we can find. I really don't want to spend too much time in one spot, because I plan on covering a lot of ground, which if I can figure out how to do it, then at the end of the day or at the end of the video, I'll show you the distance that I covered on foot. Yeah, I'm gonna get everything together and we're gonna head on down to the next good spot or next little pool. Alright, so this should be a little juicy spot where these like little rapid area is feeding into this little pool. Maybe a juicy spot. It depends on how deep it is, I think. Maybe stuff in there, maybe not, I don't know. Never know unless you cast the line in there, I guess. There we go. First cast in a new little pool. Wow, look at that guy. He's good size. That's a good sized little guy right there. If he'll settle down. Another little green sunfish. Alright, so having some pretty good luck so far. We're about to pass under 75. So I'll probably have the GoPro rolling, but probably won't be saying much because I kind of want to get underneath it and past it. Never know who else might be under there, so I'll have the GoPro rolling just in case, but yeah, let's get past it real quick. There we go. There's a little fish. Little ski fish. What is it? Ah. Just a little guy. Alright, so I took my spinner off and I put that yellowtail grub on there, so we're gonna see what that could do for me. There we go. There we go. Come here. All right, there we go. We're starting to get bass. Look at that little guy. Woo! Pretty good size for your creek. Nice and slow release, I guess. Alright, hopefully you can hear me okay. We ended up staying under here a while. I haven't seen anybody except for there's like a bike trail up here. And I'm gonna soak up the sun, is written down here. Yeah. So we're gonna keep moving on down. Caught a couple of fish out of here, got one bass, so hey, that's good. But we're gonna keep moving down. My GoPro is doing okay on battery at the moment, but I think I'm gonna cover as much ground as I can until the GoPro dies, and then I'll walk back to get the car and charge the GoPro while I'm moving the car down and maybe go a little further. But we'll see. If I catch a couple of other fish, maybe I'll save the rest of the creek for another day, but never know until we get down there, so I'm gonna head over there. Found someone's bike down here if y'all want to come get it back. looks like it was a pretty nice bike. Don't know if it works anymore. Alright, so I've gotten to this point in the creek where I can't really go any further without getting completely soaked. The GoPro is pretty low on battery, so I think what I'm going to do is go back to where I was under 635. There was a few other bass that I saw there. So I'm going to go back there and use up the rest of the battery of the GoPro underneath 635 and try and get a few more of those bass. And then after that, we'll get the car and charge up and go a little further down past this point and continue from there. So I'll start the trek back to 635. Luckily, y'all don't have to walk with me all that way, so I'll see y'all there. Guys, there is a snapping turtle over here. It's a common snapper. I'm seriously gonna go after this guy. This would be pretty cool if we get a chance to look at him. Not sure where he's at anymore. Oh, he's going under. May not be able to get him. Here we go. You're okay. Woohoo! All right, bud, you're all right. Whoa! Okay. Well, woo! All right, there's a common snapper. All right, go. He was not happy. But I wouldn't be either if someone grabbed me by the tail, so that's understandable. All right, guys, we're here at the second spot. So same creek, just further down. That's actually 75 right now, or not right now. That's 75 right there. We're on the east side of it, and the creek is down there. It's about as urban creek fishing as it gets. Here we go, a little sunfish. Here we go. There we go. I don't see any bass though, just these sunfish. There we go. This is hard with 2 rods. Got a little bass here. Little tiny dude. Real small. Got him on that little black spinner. But he's a fish. Alright guys, so caught a couple of good fish so far today. I've gone down about as much as I care to go on the creek because it just kind of gets really stagnant and kind of nasty until you get down closer to White Rock Lake, or at least as far as I could see it did. Maybe sometime one of these weekends I'll go further down, but for today that's gonna do it for me. I got a couple of good fish and I'm happy with it. Later today we're actually going to a family get-together, Crystal's family at Joe Pool Lake, so this may not be the end of the video. I don't know, we'll see till later, but if there isn't anything else after this clip, then this is the end of the video. Time to go home and wash up and relax a little bit, but possibly see y'all at the lake, so see y'all later.